Metro pastor was in court this afternoon accused of touching a 14-year-old girl. An investigator says he admitted to it. KMTV Action 3 News senior reporter Jake Wazakowski was in Sarpy County Court and joins us now live. Jake?
Jen, Sarpy County Judge Stephanie Martinez finds enough evidence to move Clifton Wells to district court on one count of third-degree sexual assault of a child. Now, prosecutors say they have every reason to believe that the girl's telling the truth. 61-year-old Clifton Wells, a former firefighter and pastor of the Church of Jesus Christ, is accused of inappropriately touching a girl in his congregation. The incident happened July 24th. While driving the 14-year-old to get a job application, prosecutors say Wells put his hand on the girl's inner thigh and moved it towards her private area. The victim told investigators she believed she was going to be raped.
You approach it with the evidence you've got. We've got no reason to disbelieve her at this point. And I don't think that the answers that were testified to by Investigator Earhart that he gave necessarily mitigate any side of the story of the victim.
When investigators interviewed Wells, he said he touched her leg because he talks with his hands, but he never touched any of her private areas. His defense attorney says the contact was accidental.
The victim is 14 years old. There was no gratification on the point of Mr. Wells for touching her. He was counseling a child who was in trouble.
But prosecutors say Wells made incriminating statements to the victim, asking her if she was okay with him touching her leg. He also allegedly told her he was going to treat her like she's 17 or 18 and not 14.
If you're asking the question, then I think you clearly realize that you're in an area that needs to be cautionary.
Now, the prosecution says that the touching of the inner thigh is actually included in that third-degree sexual assault statute, so it doesn't have to actually be the private area. Wells will be back in court next month. Reporting live outside the Sarpy County Courthouse, Jake Wazakowski, KMTV Action 3 News.